Hi, my name is Max. I'm the host of the Capital Networking Virtual Conference. And for the first time, GPs can book calls with LPs aligned with their funds, and companies, after reviewing profiles of investors, can also book calls with those investors aligned with their companies. We've hosted already 12 virtual conferences, and if you go to my LinkedIn profile, scroll down, you can find here in featured some of the events we hosted for LPs, family offices, funds of funds, GPs of VC, private equity, hedge, real estate, and Web3 funds, angels, accelerators, venture studios, exit founders. And in this video, I want to explain you two things. First is why investors join our virtual conferences. Of course, you don't have to fly, you don't have to book hotels, but what is the real reason investors join? And second, how we are able to attract so many participants. For example, our last conference got 5,600 registrations in January 2025. And I'll start about why investors can find ideally matched investment opportunities. So LPs can find GPs, and investors in companies can find ideally matched companies. If you go down here on our website to the Q&A section, you can find 82 filters that are used to show you the right matches, after which you can book calls with those participants. So geography, sectors, industries, different fund types, new, emerging, or established fund managers, different filters, and also different types and stages of companies. Also, participants enjoy our super networking spreadsheets, and I'll show you two examples from our previous events. So here was Family Offices LP and Funds of Funds conference. And you can find here many investors, for example, that those LPs that are looking to invest in private equity funds, those 113 LPs that are looking to invest in emerging fund managers. Then there were more than 260 single family offices, more than 100 funds of funds, more than 200 private limited partners, and so on. So there are many filters you can use. Our last event, we also got check size of each investor who opted in for networking. So all those lists are compiled only of those data information of those people who are ready to share their contact data. And so you can find here check sizes, you can find here stages of investors, the type of those investors, geography where they invest, and different stages, actually different industries and sectors where investors invest. And those investors who are looking for more deals, they can find the list of deals that align with their investment thesis. And what's important, so you can find information here about current commitments of companies or funds, and you can find the decks. So only investors aligned with those companies can get access to this data. And second, how we are able to attract so many participants to our events. So on the surface, you can see that we have many followers, we have huge email newsletter list, but the real reason is that our participants, majority of our participants, they somehow help us to promote the events. So after you register, you'll get your own poster with your photo on it, and you can share to get access to some additional sessions. For example, here, if you register, get your poster, and if you post it, you'll get access to the 2D talk and networking zone with hundreds of participants where you can network, you can discuss different topics, you can get access to additional dozens or maybe even more than 100 different sessions here. So your support allows us to promote the events. And we have two types of tickets. You can register for free, or you can consider the super networking ticket if you want to network with LPs, if you want to network with investors, if you want to pitch investors, you can schedule calls easily. So consider the super networking ticket. See you at our event.